started. And I would like to first say thank you to our new partnership with Bilal Sharif, which is with National Association of Real Estate Brokers with the Young Realtist Division. So we're partnering with them so that we can bring more STEM services to kids, in addition to entrepreneurship, financial literacy, and homes, and real estate.
As a part of what I'm doing, that we're doing as a part of the Young Realtist Division of the National Association of Real Estate Brokers, is really to empower our youth and communities through financial education, wealth building, career exposure, mentorship, professional development, and leadership training.
It's literally just about planning to make your future come true.
3, 2, 1, keep it fun.
Today was phenomenal. I was overly impressed. I have a STEM background myself. I'm a mechanical engineer, but I'm also a realtor and an investor. So the topics that were discussed were financial literacy, entrepreneurship, and of course STEM, and all of those are near and dear to my heart, and I preach that to my kids. But to hear their interaction along with the other kids and their level of intelligence so they get it, it was phenomenal with the hands-on experiments, and the kids' knowledge level greatly increased, so this was fantastic.
I'm gonna take this guy out and shake him up.
I learned about entrepreneurship, and I also learned that you can have fun while also making money, and you can also help kids and inspire them.
I learned that you can have fun while getting paid from doing work. Like, I learned about businesses, about multiple different science.
If I wish I can go back to 20 years ago and someone can teach me about financial education, how I can handle money, spend, and invest something, I think life will be better, because we never learned that through school, high school or college. How you can combine what you learn from school and what you learn from outside, how you use science.
Think about it. How can you make this a profitable business for you? Because cosmetic industry is an over $1 billion industry.
Programs like these are essential within the Black community to uplift each other and allow kids to know that they can be certain things. So when you bring in Black engineers, entrepreneurs, people engaging in like stock trading or anything that lifts you up financially, children need to see that so that they can realize that they can be those things and actually, bring it to actualization. So programs like these are essential within our community to take kids to the next level and just raise them up for growth and development.